Today, we're making a creamy, flavorful vegan cheese ball that's no cook, no bake, and great for any gathering. It's quick to assemble, and the fridge does most of the work while it chills, so it's ideal for making ahead of time. Start by adding softened raw cashews, lemon juice, and your seasonings. Mix everything until smooth and creamy. A food processor is the easiest for this, but you can also use a blender. Next, add the cream cheese and blend again until you have a creamy consistency. Taste and adjust for taste. Add the mixture into a bowl and fold in the other ingredients. Here we're using fresh herbs and cranberries for a balance of savory and sweet. If your dried fruit is a bit hard, soak it in water for 10 to 15 minutes to soften before adding them. Mix really well until everything is incorporated. Transfer the cheese mixture onto plastic wrap and shape it into a ball. I like to start in the plastic wrap, then shape it with my hands. Wrap it tightly and refrigerate for at least 6 hours, or pop it in the freezer if you're short on time. Once chilled, chop nuts and dried fruit in a bullet or food processor to get finely chopped pieces. Pour the mixture into a plate or bowl. Roll the cheese ball in the mixture, pressing gently to coat completely. Serve with crackers, fresh veggies, or toasted baguette slices. If there is any left, store the leftovers in plastic wrap or an airtight container in the fridge for up to 5 days. This appetizer is perfect for making ahead, ensuring a stress-free gathering for you. Visit Nuts and Twigs for all the details.